reported damaged ceiling.
The shower, the basins will be over here.
Right underneath the shower. So first step, we trace the drain, get a camera in, and luckily found the problem straight away. It was a cracked shower drain. We have the gas and the reel stay in the bucky. Get some drop sheeting on the shower base. Beauty is you can coat as far as the gas reel can reach. Close that. Inside. We are now done. Just cleaning up. In and out with the Oxi Liner. We were done within 1.5 hours. No mess. Lined line. Repaired the leaking waste pipe while it was in the ground.